Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change your email address on Shopify. What you need to do, first just go to Shopify and log in your account, and then you click here in your username and then click manage account. After that you see here email, change email. Just click here and then just type here your new email and enter your password here and then just confirm. Click here change email. This is what you need to do if you want to change your email address on Shopify. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.